Hey everyone, I'm Neri, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about spring florals. In today's video, I'm sharing with you guys my favorite spring stems. These are the stems I look forward to using year after year. I did add 2 new stems this year to my collection, and let's get right into it. I'm going to break down where they're from and where you can find similar items if they're sold out at your stores. Also, I'm going to discuss the type of vases I like to use for springtime. First up, I'm going to share with you these new stems that I got from Amazon. I don't always have good luck purchasing stuff on Amazon, especially when it comes to faux stems, but I was impressed, like super impressed with these purple hydrangeas. Here's a closer look. It came in a set of 4 for $19, and here's the whole bundle together. This is what it looks like all together. This is what it looks like from far away. This was only $19 and they look so realistic. This year for spring, I really wanted to decorate with pink florals, but I couldn't find the color I was hoping to find, so I went with purple this year. I love this muted purple. It's not too bright, it's just so subtle, like the perfect spring color for me. It's not too bright, and the leaves, all right, let me give you a closer look at the leaves. When I am shopping on Amazon, I love to look at review pictures, and I saw other people's review pictures of these stems, and then I was like, okay, these look really realistic. I'm going to take my chance and purchase it. So here's the leaves. I love that these leaves, you can move it up and down based on how full you want it to look. So I kind of made it like, kind of spruce it out a little bit. I have it inside of this glass vase that I got from Michael's. If you remember last year, I was on the hunt for this glass vase and my store was completely sold out, but I was able to track down when it came back in stock. So the price of this vase is $30, and I was able to use a coupon for 40% off my purchase, and I got this vase for $18. And this is what it looks like with the stems inside the vase. I'm using these stems in my dining room for springtime. I styled it already and I just love how it looks. I recently got new curtains from 2 Pages and has blue florals, but I really didn't want to incorporate blue florals in the room, and I thought purple would complement the blue and the green so well in that room. Next up, I'm going to share with you these white hydrangeas that I picked up from Michael's. This is going to be my 3rd year in a row styling these stems right here. And I love the cream color of these stems. They are sold individually. They do not come in a set like the purple ones. And I'm not really sure if they bought these back this year, but when I bought these 2 years ago, they were $10 a stem, and I was able to get them on sale, and I got each stem around $4. Here's a closer look. And here's a look at the leaves. If I had to pick between these stems or the purple one, let me get the purple one back to show you. If I had to choose between the Michael's ones or these purple ones, I would pick the purple ones, especially because on their website on Amazon, they also have this in a cream white color. And I like the stem on these. They're easy to bend. The stems on the Michael's floral one, they're not that great quality, and as you can see, they're kind of like coming out. They're not like as good quality. The little picks, it comes straight out. I feel like they didn't do such a good job at assembling these stems like these right here. I don't have to worry about these breaking when I'm trying to bend them in different direction when I'm arranging this. So I would definitely pick up these if you're looking for hydrangea stems. I'm not really sure how many of these hydrangea stems I bought from Michael's over the years. I think I have a total of 11. Here I have a total of 5 in this bundle right here. And I'm styling this inside of this vase. I like the color of brown with the cream color hydrangeas. I think it looks so pretty. And then this vase, I shared it multiple times. This is from Hobby Lobby, and I just painted it brown. It used to be white. I also have those hydrangea stems inside of this glass vase. I love using glass for springtime, especially spring and summertime. Glass looks so beautiful. It looks like a real arrangement, and putting it in a glass vase just makes it look so elevated. You could always find glass vases at the thrift store. They're very inexpensive. Another one of my favorite stems from Michaels are these wild daisies. I'm going to take it out of this vase and show you a closer look. These are so inexpensive. They are everyday value at $2.99. They're not part of their spring line or anything. They carry these all year round. They're normally $2.99, and you could use one of those coupons where they have 40% off your total purchase on their website, and you could get these for around $2 a stem. How realistic and pretty are these? I've been using these probably for about 4 or 5 years now, and they always have them in stock. If you can't find these in store, definitely order them online. And I have a total of 10 of these stems here, and this is what it looks like all bundled up together. You could separate them and put it in a small vase if you want, or you could make a grand statement, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm using this on my coffee table for springtime, and this is the vase I'm using it in. I love the handle on this vase. This one, I got it from H&M Home. And, you could definitely find vases like these at Home Goods or even at Hobby Lobby. I love this color. It looks like it's black, but it's actually, if you look closer, like a dark brown. I decided to put it in this black vase with the handle, these stems, so I can make a grand statement on my coffee table. I was inspired by Amber Interior. She always does these beautiful floral arrangements and makes it like the star of her coffee table or any space she decorates. She always has these beautiful, huge floral arrangements, and that's kind of what I wanted to do this year. I got these floral, this is actually not individual stems. It comes in a bundle like this, and this is from Michaels. I shared this in my last video when I shared my thrift haul because I put it in that vase that I got from the antique shop. But yeah, this is from Michaels, and it's part of their Easter line. This one, original price is $20, but it's currently on sale for 40%, so you could get this whole bundle for $12. These look so realistic, these iris florals, and I feel like this is something that you will always gravitate towards for year after year, and it just makes your home have that cottage charm. I popped it inside of this vase right here that I got from the antique shop. You could put this in any type of urn or planter. This little bundle does not come in any other color. It just comes in this cream color, these iris florals, and here's what the side looks like. It looks like it's made with this like tulip stems and has styrofoam on the bottom. The most I've ever spent on faux stems are probably $5 for each stem. I don't like to overspend when I'm buying florals because I do like to change out my florals, and if I'm spending like $80 on just one set of stems, that does get pricey. So I like to get my stems from Michaels, Hobby Lobby, and sometimes Target, because Target could be a little expensive. And now that I found these stems on Amazon, I might have to check out what else they have available. Another springtime staple for stems are tulips, and I got these from Amazon a couple of years ago, but you could always find these on Amazon any time of the year. I also noticed they have a new variety where the stem looks more realistic and the bud on the top is more closed, so they look more realistic. This is what it looks like. I've been tempted to purchase them, but I already have so many tulips. I don't want to just grab another one just to see what it looks like. And I like to open my petals up a little on a couple of the tulips. That way it looks more realistic, like as if it's like, you know, falling off. That's something you could do. And I also put it inside of this glass vase that I shared last week on my thrift haul. Here's a closer look at these tulips. They're not in the best condition because I've had them probably for 6 years now. There's just some of my favorite stems and I love to bring them out every spring. I'll have other types of tulips linked for you if you're looking for them. I plan on putting these tulips on my dining table. They look like something I just picked up from the supermarket and I just put them on my table as a cute little centerpiece. I'm not really sure if I'm going to add anything else next to it, maybe a candle, but they're perfect for springtime. Next up, we have these cosmos. I got these from Michael's last year, but Hobby Lobby definitely carries cosmos all year round and they have so many beautiful colors. This one has like light pink inside of it, so I picked these up from Michael's, and this is what one stem looks like. I got a total of 3. They are just so pretty and it reminds me of like wildflowers. Here's a closer look. I feel like cosmos are so pretty. They definitely have the cottage vibe, and I paired them with this vase right here. Again, I love the dainty little handle. This vase is from H&M. I got it a couple of years ago, so they don't carry this anymore, but you'll find something like this on Amazon or HomeGoods any time of the year. I bend my stem to make them fit in this vase a little better. This is what it looks like. Very airy, and I'm putting this on my coffee. No, not my coffee. And I'm gonna put this on my breakfast nook. All right, and these are the last stems I'm going to share with you guys today. I feel like you have to have a set of like wildflowers for springtime, and these stems are also from Michael. I just realized all my stems, majority of them are from Michael's, but I guess Michael's really does have the best stems. I picked up these stems from Michael's last year. I didn't see if they bought them out this year, but I'm going to try to link something very similar for you. As you can see, these are light purple stems. I feel like every cottage home needs a set of wildflower stems in their home to put inside of a big picture like this. And these are so pretty. I just could not resist putting them on my top list for favorite stems for springtime. This is one of my favorite items to decorate with for springtime. This beautiful picture right here. I got this picture from Target when we first bought our house. So this I got in 2020. I think I paid like $15 for this. I love this size, and I think this is actually food safe, but I've actually never used this for food. I've always used it as a vase. You could also fill this vase up with hydrangeas if you want it. This makes such a beautiful statement in your kitchen. It's a comparison of these purple versus this. This one almost looks like it could be like a light blue cream color. I have a total of 9 of these stems, and this is what it looks like all together as a bundle. I'm not sure where I'm going to put these florals this year in my home. I might put them in my kitchen. Right now, I'm still figuring out how I'm decorating for spring, but I kind of figured out my florals already, and I just wanted to share with you guys my top favorites for springtime. I'll have these stems and similar stems available on my shop with me, so definitely check out the links in my description. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful when you're decorating your home for spring this year. I wanted to share with you guys my favorite stems to decorate for a cottage-inspired home. Thanks so much for hanging with me today and watching today's video. I'll see you guys soon for another one. Bye for now.